Thank you, dear students. Welcome to my class. I am Bablu Kumar, assistant teacher, Haridhali Secondary School. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, you know that our schools are closed for COVID-19, a pandemic situations that is prevailing all over the world. But our government has taken an initiatives to continue our teaching learning process so that our students are not hampered on account of it. So thanks to our government. Dear students, let's start our class because we don't want to waste our valuable time anymore. Before that, look at the board, dear students. What can you see here? There is, it talks as if. What does it indicate? It's an incomplete sentence and we have to complete this. So dear students, can you guess what we are going to learn today? Yes, you are absolutely right. You are on the right track. Today we are going to learn about completing sentences. So dear students, today our chapter is completing sentences. Dear students, today our caption is completing sentences, and when we are going to do this effectively, flawlessly or correctly, accurately, we have to learn some rules or structures through which we can produce different types of sentences correctly. So let's start our class and start the first rule. The structure is two dot dot two. The students, when you will see this type of structure in your question paper, we have to put before two subject plus verb plus two plus adjective or adverb, and then two we have to put V on, that means base form of verb. So as for example, let's see the example, dear students. He is too weak to work. Now dear students, look at the example here. According to the structure, we have put here subject plus verb plus two plus adjective or adverb. So we have taken here adjective. After that, two plus be on, that means this two plus be on, it's called infinitive. Let's move on to the second rule. So dot dot that. That's why when you will see this type of structure, we have to put subject plus verb plus so plus adjective or adverb plus that plus subject plus cannot or could not plus be on. So dear students, after cannot or could not, we have to put there base form of because we know that after every modal auxiliary we have to use be on. Let's see the example of it. He is so weak that he cannot walk. So dear students, when you will see the structure in past tense, then we will put here could not. Let's move on to the third rule. So that. Already we have passed this. Now the structure we so that. Before so that we have to use subject plus verb plus object or extension plus so that plus subject plus may or can, might or could plus be on. For example, he went to market so that he could buy a pen. So look dear students, here in the instance we have put their subject, verb, object or extension. This is extension. After so that, after that verb could. So why we have taken here could? Do you know dear students? Because our sentence, that means principal clause, is in past indefinite tense. That's why we have taken could. And if it is in present tense, then we have to take here can. So the structure, according to the structure, the instance is he went to market so that he could buy a pen. Let's move on to the next rule, dear students. Rule 4. This is, it is time or it is high time. Look dear students, here in the rule number 4, we have taken it is time and it is high time. And you have to bear in mind that there are two rules here. That is, it is time plus subject plus V2, or it is time or it is high time plus 2 plus V1. For example, it is time to trade. Another example, it is time or it is high time we sell our habits. So look dear students, in the instance we have made two types of examples here. The first one, is it is time plus 2. That's why we have taken here only B1, that is base form of verb. But in the second instance, yes, there is subject after it is time or it is high time. According to the structure, we have taken here past indefinite tense, that is change or habits. So I think, dear students, it is very clear to you all. After that, rule 5. That is, dear students, conditional sentence. If plus present plus future. So according to the structure, when if clause will be in present indefinite tense, next clause will be in future indefinite tense. So let's see the example of it. If he comes, I shall go, or I will go, as you like this. According to the American English, we can use here I will go. So no problem when you are going to put here shall or will. That fully depends upon you, dear students. So according to the structure of first conditional, the example is if he comes, I shall go. Now, dear students, another rule: if plus past, that is past indefinite tense, plus past conditional, that means past conditional. Here past conditional, that means would or might plus be on. Yes, they are modal auxiliary, that's why we will take here be on, that is base form of verb. So let's see the example of it. If he came, I would go. So let's look here in the instance or in the example, we have taken the instance of the first conditional here. So only we have changed the tense of that. I think this is very clear to you all. Now let's move on to the next rule. That is rule number 7. That is, if plus past perfect plus perfect conditional, yes, if plus past perfect plus perfect conditional. And what is perfect conditional? There will be would have, or might have plus B3. So look, dear students, let's see the example of it. If he had come, I made this types of sentence according to the structure of rule 7. Now move on to the next rule. That is as if, as though, as if, as though. So when you will see as if or as though in your incomplete sentence, how can you complete this? Now we will see that. Before as if or as though, it will be in present indefinite. The latter part of these will be in past indefinite tense. And if the first part will be in past indefinite tense, the latter part of this will be in past perfect tense. So dear friends, let's see the example of it. He talks. As if he knew everything. Look dear friends, according to the structure we have made this types of instance here. And look, yes, the first part is in present indefinite, so we have made the last part of the sentence in past indefinite tense. So the instance is he talks as if he knew everything. So I think dear friends, you have learned this rule very well, and you will be able to produce different types of sentences when you will face any types of exam. Now it is time for homework, and you will copy this sentence in your exercise book, please, dear students. He helped me. If he helped me. It is time he is too dull. He talked as if, and the last of all, that is if you Read more. If you read more. So dear friends, I think you have copied down these incomplete sentences in your exercise book, and you will complete this task at home. After completing this task, you will submit it to your respective English teacher, when our schools will be reopened, and the teacher will credit you with marks, because it will be part of your exam as continuous assessment. So dear friends, you know that we are going through the pandemic situations, so stay home, stay safe,